Hey there, dreamers. Have you ever fantasized about what it would be like to win the lottery? Trust me, you're not alone. But here's the exciting news. With the right manifestation practices and positive thinking, you can actually increase your chances of turning that dream into a reality. Get ready to embark on a truly transformative journey as we unveil the secrets to manifesting abundance and boosting your chances of hitting the jackpot. In this captivating video, we will dive deep into the powerful principles of the law of attraction, the law of assumption, visualization, and affirmations. By harnessing these manifestation techniques, you'll discover how to attract abundance into your life and enhance your chances of winning the lottery. But hold on, that's not all. We'll also share valuable insights on practicing mindful action. It's not just about dreaming. It's about taking inspired steps towards your goals. We'll show you how to align your actions with your desires to create a direct path to success. Get ready to witness the power of manifestation and discover the incredible potential within you. Join us on this awe-inspiring journey towards abundance and an increased chance of winning the lottery, all through the power of your thoughts and actions. Before we dive into the video, a small request. If you are new to our channel and not yet subscribed, please do so. Believe me, this acts as catalyst for us to make more interesting and quality videos for our community. Let's get started. We all dream of winning the lottery and achieving financial freedom. However, it can be challenging to increase your chances of success without practicing manifestation. Manifestation is the process of using your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs to attract something into your life, such as winning the lottery. By following these simple steps, you can improve your odds of winning the jackpot. When buying a lottery ticket, visualize yourself winning the jackpot to increase your chances of success. This goes beyond simply wishing for luck. It involves having confidence in your ability to win and actively manifesting that outcome through positive thinking. It is important to stay consistent and devoted when using methods like the law of attraction to manifest winning the lottery. Without commitment, these techniques may not be effective enough on their own. If you have already purchased a ticket, remember that it ultimately comes down to luck. However, techniques like visualization and affirmations can tilt the odds in your favor. If you don't win, it's not because God has failed you. It may be due to a lack of belief in yourself, resulting from not properly utilizing manifestation techniques before and during your purchase of the lottery ticket. So don't give up. Use the money associated with lotteries to improve yourself and the lives of others instead of wasting it on unnecessary items or activities like gambling. If you win big sums, responsibly utilize the money to positively impact others' lives. Remember, don't dedicate all your time to manifesting more money. Strike a balance between working towards your goals and enjoying life's journey. Consider exploring Neville Goddard's teachings on law assumptions, which focus on applying visualization towards desired outcomes related to lotteries, casinos, gambling, and more. Maintain a positive mindset throughout the process. View winning the lottery as almost inevitable when using proper visualization techniques consistently. Keep believing until you see results, even if they take longer than expected, as there are no guarantees when playing the lottery. With determination comes success. Good luck. Before taking action to try and win a lottery, it is important to understand your intention. Your thoughts must be focused on what you wish to achieve in order for manifestation to work its magic. The combination of luck and faith can be used when attempting to win a lottery using both the law of attraction and the law of assumption. To utilize these laws, one must have knowledge about them. This means understanding how they work together in order for you to increase your chances of winning a lottery. The law of attraction states that our thoughts create reality, while law of assumption states that we are able to access more possibilities by temporarily forgetting our goal or desired outcome. In this case, winning a lottery and instead pretending like we already have won it. This will help us live in a relaxed mindset, feeling as though we have received what we desire already, without attaching any expectations or worries about how it will come true or when exactly it will happen. This allows manifestation to work its magic on our goal. Additionally, visualization techniques can be used along with affirmations such as "I am now blessed with an abundance of money." This helps put us into deep focus, allowing us to recognize opportunities that may arise related to achieving our goal. Manifesting success is often associated with the practice of positive thinking. When it comes to increasing your chances of winning the lottery, this couldn't be more true. Manifestation techniques such as Neville Goddard's law of assumption and the law of attraction have been around for years and are becoming increasingly popular worldwide. At their core, these methods seek to help people manifest their desires through mindful action. So, how does one go about manifesting success when attempting to win the lottery? First off, it's important to focus on approaching tasks with a relaxed and tension-free mindset. Try not to get too attached or caught up in any single moment, as this can cause immense stress and impact your ability to manifest desired outcomes. Incorporating affirmations into your daily routine is also essential. State what you want out loud and trust that the universe will support you through it all. Visualizing success is also crucial when manifesting. Create an image in your mind's eye that demonstrates what you hope for in its entirety and have faith in yourself. It's also important to take inspired actions that demonstrate commitment towards achieving goals. Participating regularly in lotto pools or buying tickets whenever possible are great ways to start making progress towards winning big. But remember, manifestation isn't magic. There are various factors at play beyond our control that heavily contribute to our success or failure in any endeavor. Stay focused on strengthening your subconscious mind power instead of getting caught up worrying about things outside of our control. Luck may be a factor, but there's only so much one can do before fate takes over. Don't forget about gratitude. Always remain grateful for the abundance you do receive during this process, no matter how small or big it may be. These moments will help keep motivation high while continuing along this journey. And don't forget, if you found this content valuable, give it a thumbs up and spread awareness about mindful manifestation techniques. And there you have it, my amazing viewers. Manifesting abundance and increasing your chances of winning the lottery is not just a lofty dream, but a tangible possibility. By harnessing the power of universal laws like the law of attraction and the law of assumption, along with visualization techniques and mindful action, you can pave the way for success, regardless of luck or chance. Remember, my fellow dreamers, if you don't see immediate results, don't lose hope. Success comes to those who persist with patience and unwavering dedication. Keep the faith, stay focused, and trust in the process. Now is the time to shift your mindset and take inspired action. Start implementing the practical tips and techniques we've explored in this video and watch as your chances of winning that life-changing prize soar. As we conclude this video, I want to send you my sincerest blessings. May you manifest abundance, achieve your wildest dreams, and uncover the limitless potential that resides within you. Remember, you are powerful beyond measure. Thank you for being part of this incredible journey. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more transformative content. Until we meet again, may your path be filled with blessings, prosperity, and extraordinary manifestations. Keep manifesting, keep believing, and never stop dreaming big.